My dear friends, I am Dr. Omkar Prasad Vaidya. Today I will be discussing how to prevent prostatic cancer. Now, prostatic cancer means malignant proliferation of prostate gland, and there are a lot of risk factors that increase the person or increase prone a person to develop prostatic cancer in the future. Now, we will discuss how we can prevent prostatic cancer. Now, number one factor is that to have healthy diet. Taking healthy diet or proper nutrition can decrease the risk of getting prostatic cancer. So, what type of diet we should take? We should take more diet rich in fruits and vegetables and low fat, and it is always better to avoid excessive dairy product. So dairy product, it is better to avoid an excessive calcium diet. Also, it is always advisable to avoid high calcium diet, as this can also lead to various type of cancers and especially prostatic cancer. So diet is very much important, as it decreases the risk of proper and good nutrition, and diet rich in fruits and vegetables can decrease the risk of prostatic cancer. Another important preventive measure is to take fruits or foods rich in vitamins and minerals. Taking foods rich in vitamins and minerals decrease the risk of getting prostatic cancer. So vitamins and minerals contain lots of antioxidants. So antioxidants and minerals like zinc, selenium, vitamin C, and antioxidants always decrease the risk of prostatic cancer. Another important preventive measure or way or measure to prevent prostatic cancer is to do regular exercise. Regular exercise also clears up the toxins from the body. It will make the immunity stronger. At the same time, it will help to cut down the excess weight. Obesity is another important risk factor. So cutting down the weight or controlling the weight, it can decrease the risk of getting prostatic cancer. So it is always advised to do regular exercise at least 30 to 35 minutes per day, and which can decrease the risk of getting prostatic cancer. Another way of reducing the risk of getting prostatic cancer or to prevent prostatic cancer is to cut down the obesity. For that, we have to control our diet and to do regular exercise, which can help in maintenance or prevention of obesity. Another important risk factors or preventive measure by which we can control is that avoid smoking. So smoking is important risk factors. So avoid smoking, and beside avoid chemical exposure. Some firefighters are more prone to the prostate cancer. So some chemical agents like Agent Orange and all those things. So exposure to various very bad chemicals may always lead to the increase in the rise of prostatic cancer. So it is advisable to avoid chemical exposure, then avoid smoking. So these two important exposure avoidance can decrease the risk of getting prostatic cancer and helps in prevention of prostatic cancer. There are some medication also, we can call it chemoprotection, which protects against prostatic cancer. So these are 5-alpha reductase inhibitors. Example is finasteride and dutasteride. So finasteride is a group of drug we also call 5-alpha reductase inhibitors, and it decreases the risk of prostatic cancer. It has been found in some study. So this is the chemoprotection or chemoprevention. So these are the various methods by which we can prevent the risk factors. If a family history of prostatic cancer is there, they should take more precaution and take more preventive measures so as to prevent themselves from prostatic cancer. Another one is we have to avoid excessive intake of calcium and dietary fats as well as dairy products, which can increase the risk of prostatic cancer. Take more fruits and vegetables or diet rich in fruits and vitamins and minerals like zinc, selenium, vitamin C. This can increase the body's immunity and anti-cancer mechanism. They prevent cancer like prostate cancer. So foods rich in vitamins, minerals, vegetables and fruits, they decrease the risk of getting prostate cancer. And also we have to do regular exercise at least 30 to 35 minutes per day. It boosts our immunity and also it has an anti-cancer effect also. So regular exercise is very much essential, and it also helps in preventing prostatic cancer. Another way is to regular exercise for doing weight management. We have to prevent obesity, which may be important risk factors. So preventing obesity or getting excessive weight may prevent prostate cancer for development. So these are the various preventive measures by which we can prevent the development of prostate cancer. Of course, age is an important risk factor, but it is a non-modifiable risk factors because we cannot control the age with time. But we can also give some chemoprotection or medicinal protection by giving 5-alpha reductase inhibitors, and it has been found that drugs like 5-alpha reductase inhibitors like finasteride decrease the risk of prostate cancer. Thank you very much.